Gardening is about to get a high-tech upgrade like you've never seen before. From AI-powered robots that harvest your crops, to smart tools that zap weeds without you lifting a finger, 2026 is bringing inventions that will totally change the way you care for your yard. Today, we're counting down 10 insane gardening gadgets, from futuristic mowers and multi-tools to smart hoses and clever weeding devices that will make every outdoor chore faster, smarter, and way more fun. Stick around and get ready to see the future of gardening in action. The Segway Navimow X4 series is a high-performance robotic mower designed for large, demanding lawns that ordinary robots struggle to handle. Built with the advanced zero-turn all-wheel drive system and independent steering, it confidently climbs slopes up to 84% while making sharp, turf-safe turns without damaging the grass. Dual 180-watt motors power a 43-centimeter dual-disc cutting system, delivering clean and consistent results even in thick, dense areas. Its intelligent navigation combines network RTK, VSLAM, and VIO technology for precise, antenna-free positioning with centimeter-level accuracy. A smart traction control system automatically adjusts torque to prevent slipping on gravel or uneven terrain, keeping movement stable and smooth. With fast recharging, IPX6 water resistance, and optimized path planning, the Navimow X4 transforms lawn care into an effortless, fully automated experience built for precision and power. Upgrade your outdoor toolbox with the Photonix 3-in-1 Multitool, the ultimate eco-friendly landscaping companion. This versatile battery-powered device combines 3 essential tools in one compact package: a chainsaw, circular saw, and reciprocating saw, letting you tackle everything from weeds and branches to wood, metal, plastic, concrete, and even drywall. The 8-inch chainsaw bar makes quick work of overgrown branches, while the circular saw slices through tough materials with precision. The reciprocating saw handles wood, stucco, fiberglass, and more effortlessly. And the best part? The Photonix multi-tool produces zero toxic fumes, harmful emissions, or excessive noise, making it safe for both you and the environment. Designed for comfort and control, it features an ergonomic grip, anti-slip casing, high-quality trigger, safety lock, and built-in LED lights for visibility. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a weekend warrior, this all-in-one tool delivers efficiency, durability, and safety, making every outdoor task faster, cleaner, and smarter. The Yarbo M-Series modular yard robot is built for homeowners who want one smart machine to handle every season without switching equipment. At its heart is a single intelligent core that powers interchangeable modules, allowing you to swap between mowing, leaf management, and even snow clearing as the weather changes. Its compact track design delivers strong traction and stability, confidently handling uneven terrain and slopes up to 35 degrees while maintaining balance and control. Despite its smaller footprint for easy storage and maneuverability, it offers real working strength, including the ability to tow up to 220 pounds for practical yard tasks. Setup takes around 30 minutes, making it accessible even for first-time users, and its modular philosophy means you can expand capabilities over time instead of buying separate machines. The Yarbo M-Series isn't just a robot mower, it's a year-round yard companion designed to evolve with your needs and simplify outdoor work in every season. Tired of bending, scraping, or using harsh chemicals just to get rid of weeds in those annoying cracks and crevices? Meet the Weed Snatcher Crevice Weeding Tool, the ultimate solution for hassle-free outdoor maintenance. This clever tool is designed to make weeding your sidewalks, driveways, patios, or even wood decking quick, effortless, and completely chemical-free. Equipped with a strong hook and 2 sets of smooth rolling wheels, the Weed Snatcher scoops weeds straight from the roots as you push it along. No more back-breaking work. The telescopic handle extends from 3 to 6 feet, letting you work comfortably while standing. With interchangeable heads for different surfaces, this tool adapts perfectly to driveways, decks, and patios. It's durable, eco-friendly, and even comes with a lifetime guarantee. If you're ready to save time, protect your back, and keep your outdoor spaces pristine, the Weed Snatcher is your go-to gadget for clean, weed-free cracks every single time. Meet the Agrist agtech robot, a game-changer for modern farming and greenhouse cultivation. Designed to tackle labor shortages and boost productivity, this innovative AI-powered robot can harvest produce like bell peppers, cucumbers, and other fruit vegetables with precision. Suspended on wires above the crops, it moves smoothly across high eaves greenhouses, analyzing each fruit's size, ripeness, and location using advanced computer vision. Beyond harvesting, it monitors the environment, detects early signs of disease, and helps prevent pest spread, giving farmers peace of mind and saving countless hours of manual labor. Lightweight, compact, and solar-friendly, the Agrist robot operates continuously for up to 4 hours, helping increase yields by over 20% while supporting aging farmers or understaffed farms. Developed by Japanese startup Agrist Inc., this no-frills, affordable robot proves that technology can not only automate tedious tasks, but also empower farmers to maximize efficiency, maintain healthier crops, and revolutionize greenhouse management. Imagine mowing your lawn without even stepping into the heat. The Mowrator S1 remote control lawnmower completely changes the way yard work feels. Instead of pushing a heavy machine under the sun, you control this powerful 4-wheel drive beast from a distance with smooth, precise remote commands. Built with a 21-inch cutting blade spinning at 3,000 RPM, it slices through thick, overgrown grass like it's nothing. And what makes it truly insane, it can climb extreme slopes up to 75%, something most traditional mowers would struggle or even flip on. Despite its strength, it stays surprisingly quiet at just 63 decibels, making it neighborhood-friendly. With adjustable cutting heights from 1.5 to 4.3 inches, you get that perfect striped lawn finish every time. The battery delivers up to 135 minutes of runtime, enough to mow half an acre in about an hour. At 115 pounds, it's solid and stable, yet effortless to maneuver thanks to the remote system with emergency stop for extra safety. This isn't just a lawnmower, it's smart engineering designed to make hard work feel easy. Yard maintenance no longer feels like a chore. It feels like controlling a machine built for the future. Say goodbye to the hassle of hand-watering your garden with the Rachio Smart Hose Timer Starter Kit, a smart, simple, and efficient way to manage your outdoor irrigation. This kit comes with one valve and a Wi-Fi hub, letting you control your faucets directly from your smartphone using the Rachio app. Setup takes just 10 minutes, and once installed, you can create irrigation programs tailored to your garden's needs, or start a quick watering session with just a few taps. The integrated flow meter ensures water is delivered efficiently while preventing waste, and multiple valves can be programmed to water different zones of your yard simultaneously. Whether you have a small backyard or a large garden, the Rachio Smart Hose Timer automates watering, saves time, and keeps your plants healthy without the guesswork. The Greenworks 80-volt 25-inch self-propelled mower proves that serious lawn power doesn't need gas, noise, or frustration. Built with a durable steel deck and a wide 25-inch cutting path, it moves through tall, thick grass with confidence and control. With a simple push-button start, the intelligent brushless motor instantly delivers strong torque, while Smart Cut technology automatically adjusts power for a smooth, even finish. The self-propelled system with variable speed lets you mow comfortably at your own pace, reducing fatigue and making yard work feel far less demanding. Its 2-in-1 mulch and bag system, along with turbo leaf pickup, ensures your lawn looks clean and professionally maintained after every pass. Powered by an advanced 80-volt battery platform, this mower is part of a system that supports over 75 tools, including high-speed blowers reaching 170 miles per hour and lightweight trimmers that eliminate fumes and heavy gas engines. Backed by a solid warranty, it's not just a mower, it's a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient way to care for your lawn. The Worx 20-volt Jawsaw cordless chainsaw is designed for people who want real cutting power without the fear that usually comes with traditional chainsaws. What makes it different is its fully protective jaw guard that encloses the blade, allowing it to safely cut directly on the ground while keeping your hands protected. The chain retracts into the base when not in use, adding another layer of safety that most chainsaws simply don't offer. Powered by a 20-volt battery, it easily slices through branches up to 4 inches thick with a smooth single-action cutting mechanism and a fast 1,350 RPM no-load speed. Despite its strength, it remains lightweight and balanced, making overhead trimming far less exhausting. The auto tension system keeps the chain perfectly tight for efficient performance, while the automatic oiling feature extends the life of the blade and ensures cleaner cuts. Compatible with the PowerShare battery platform, this tool delivers smart, controlled power that turns heavy yard work into something safer and surprisingly manageable. The Pandag G1 is not just a lawnmower, it's a fully autonomous machine built for massive commercial landscapes. Designed as a level 4 robotic system, it handles mowing without human control, covering up to 12 acres per day with precision and consistency. Powered by an 800-watt motor and an 8 kilowatt-hour battery, it combines RTK and 4G positioning with AI vision and LiDAR sensing to navigate with centimeter-level accuracy, even in complex environments like under trees or near solar panels. Its intelligent path planning automatically creates optimized mowing routes, making it ideal for parks, campuses, golf courses, and large properties. The 48-inch cutting deck uses adaptive technology to adjust blade power based on grass density, delivering clean, professional results every time. It can handle steep slopes and tough terrain while automatically returning to recharge when needed. The Pandag G1 isn't just cutting grass, it's redefining large-scale land maintenance with smart, scalable automation.